Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to solve some numericals on the chapter Current Electricity. The numericals on chapter Current Electricity for the class 9 and 10. Calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B from the following diagram. This is one diagram given here. This is the end point given, and you have to find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. Okay, this question has come in the year 2011 for ICSE class 10 exam. What is the equivalent resistance between A and B? First of all, you see this 3 ohm resistor and 2 ohm resistor are in series, and here also 6 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistor are in series. This total and this one are in parallel. Okay, just see, I am solving. Question number 1. First, you have to draw on the rough diagram. So this is the point A, and in between A and B, one resistor is there in the middle, that is 30 ohm. This one is 30 ohm, and another resistor just here. That means this is one resistor given 3 ohm, and here one resistor, this one is given 2 ohm. Same process here downside also like this. This side also same process. Here 6 ohm resistor and here 4 ohm resistor. So from the figure it is clear that 3 ohm and 2 ohm are in series. Therefore, this RS will be series connection 3 ohm plus 2 ohm, that will be 5 ohm. And here RS dash 6 ohm and 4 ohm are in series. That means 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 ohm. Now, the equivalent resistance between A and B, that will be 1 by, because there 3 will be in parallel, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 5, this 5 ohm, and downside is 10 ohm. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 10. Listen, all these 3 ohm, 2 ohm are in series coming 5 ohm. Here 6 ohm, 4 ohm are in series coming 10 ohm. Now 5 ohm, 30 ohm and 10 ohm are in parallel. Therefore, as per the rule of parallel combination, your formula is what? 1 by 5 reciprocal. What is the LCM of these 3? LCM 30. 5 6 is 30, 31 and 10 3 is 30. How much are you getting? 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 4 10. 10 by 30 means 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 3. That means Rp is equal to how much? Rp is equal to 3 ohm. 3 ohm. Rp is equal to 3 ohm. Therefore, total resistance, the equivalent resistance between A and B. Therefore, equivalent resistance between A and B is equal to how much coming? 3 ohm. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go next question. Question number 2. See, find the equivalent resistance between the points A and B. This question has come in the year 2015 in ICSE class 10. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Before going to find, you have to study the figure in which resistors are in series, which are in parallel. Now you see this 12 ohm, 6 ohm and 10 ohm. Sorry, 4 ohm. 4 ohms, 4, 6, 12 All the three resistors are in parallel. You have first find parallel combination. After that, you have to add with 2 ohm with 5 ohm. Let's see. See, add 4 ohm, 6 ohm, and 12 ohm are in parallel. Thus, the equivalent resistance will be 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. The LCM will be 12. 4, 3, 6, 2, 12 by 1. Coming how much? 6 by 12. 6 by 12 means 1 by 2. Therefore, finally you are getting the three resistor equivalent resistance is 2 ohm. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2. This implies Rp is equal to 2 ohm. Therefore, total resistance between A and B, this 2 ohm, let us see 2 ohm, and here this total you got how much? 2 ohm. Very carefully here. 2 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 5 ohm you have to add. Okay. The total resistance will be 2 plus 2 plus 5. How much getting? 9 ohm. Okay. This is total resistance between A and B. In this way, this question also number 2 completed. Let us go next question. Next question, question number 3 of my serial number. 6 resistances are connected together as shown in the figure. Calculate the equivalent resistance between the points A and B. This is the end point given, point A and B. Before going to the figure, just to see 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm are in series. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5. And 10 ohm are in series. 2 plus 3 plus 5. This 10 and this one are in parallel. This total and this one parallel. Then you find 1 by Rp formula. After that you have to find out this total. Add. Okay. First to draw the figure, it will better to understand. Question number 3. Just proceed to follow. Here endpoint given A. Here one resistor given. This is given 2 ohm. Next, here one resistor given. This one is given 10 ohm. After that, this also another resistor given. This one is given 5 ohm. Okay. And here one resistor given, that is this one is given 2 ohm. 2 ohm resistor. Okay. And another resistor here also given. Here also one resistor given like this. This one is given 5 ohm. This one 2 ohm and this is 3 ohm. And your endpoint is A and B. You have to find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. This 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm are in series. Okay. That means this 10 ohm and this 10 are in parallel. So how do you represent? See, now 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm are in series. Therefore, their total will be how much? 2 plus 3 plus 5, how much getting? 10 ohm. 10 ohm getting. After that, this 10 ohm and this 10 ohm are in parallel. Therefore, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 coming 2 by 10 means 1 by 5. So this implies Rp is equal to how much? Rp is coming 5 ohm. That means This resistance total coming 5 ohm. 5 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 5 ohm. Therefore, total resistance between A and B, this will be 2 ohm, this 2, and this total coming 5, and this is 5. 2 plus 5 plus 5. How much you think? 10 plus 2, that is 12 ohm. Okay, the total resistance, equivalent resistance between A and B, the equivalent resistance after that rate will be 12. This is the answer. Let us go one more question. Next question I'm going, this question came to 2008 for ICC board. 3 resistors 6 ohm, 2 ohm and 4 ohm respectively are joined together as shown in the figure. 6 ohm, R2 2 ohm and R3 4 ohm. They are connected in the figure like this. The resistors are connected to an ammeter. This one is ammeter. A stands for ammeter, to a cell of EMF, electromotive force. In supply voltage is 6 volt. EMF is 6 volt battery connected here. Here ammeter. Calculate the effective resistance of the circuit. Means effective resistance, total resistance in the circuit, and current drawn from the cell you have to find out. Okay, and this is the diagram given. Just see. First of all, before going to a calculation part, this 4 ohm, 2 ohm are in series. Then this total and this total are in parallel. Yes or no? That means 4 ohm here, 4 ohms and 2 ohm. 4 ohm and 2 ohm are in series. Therefore, 4 plus 2 equal to how much coming? 6 ohm. Now this 6 ohm and this 6 ohm are in parallel. Therefore, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 coming 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. This implies Rp is equal to 3 ohm. Rp is equal to 3 ohm. Okay. That means the effective resistance between the circuit is how much? 3 ohm. There is no resistor here, and supply voltage is how much here? 6 volt. Therefore, current equal to how much? Current means I is equal to, according to Ohm's law, V by R. Because V is equal to IR. V is the 6 volt, 6 volts, and total resistance how much you got? That is 3 ohm. 6 by 3 means 2 ampere. Unit of current is ampere. So what is the current that will show in the ammeter? A stands for ammeter. The ammeter will show 2 ampere current. This is not difficult question, just have to understand. This question came in the year 2008. Today we discuss so many questions regarding physics current chapter. The question came in the exam. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you for today's class. Later do more sums.